I'm pleased at this time to call upon Jeffrey Krupa, a member of the graduating class, to make remarks. Jeffrey.
Thank you, Professor Buzzard. President Ono, honored guests, and fellow graduates. Today we join a community of 325,000 UBC graduates and changemakers connected to us by Alumni UBC. We are here to celebrate our achievement and to acknowledge the contributions of the many others who supported us along the way. So first, please, a round of applause for our family, friends, and everyone who has helped us get here. As a student of physics, I'm moved by the night sky. When I look up, the stars consume me. And I think what amazes me is our position among these stars. The fact that we are on a rock orbiting an average star in an unimaginably vast expanse of dust, emptiness, and time. When the Voyager 1 spacecraft was launched in 1977, its purpose was to study space beyond our solar system. But astronomer Carl Sagan also wanted to know our place. He asked that the spacecraft turn its camera around and take a picture of the Earth, a photograph now known as the pale blue dot. From 6 billion kilometers away, the Earth is smaller than a pixel, suspended in dust and light. Today, I want to ask, what is our response to this picture? Perhaps it is isolation in the face of our aloneness, or fear of insignificance. But I think this picture should fill us with awe and drive us to protect our pale blue dot. While global quality of life is higher now than ever before, we must acknowledge the tremendous challenges that we face. Artificial intelligence will cause changes that we do not fully understand. Automation may lead to unemployment and increased income inequality. Climate change has caused natural disasters in the face of ineffective political systems. And democracies are in danger because of cynicism that questions freedom and tolerance. These problems sometimes seem insurmountable. But our pale blue dot is the only livable human home that we have ever found, and it's something worth fighting for. I believe that we science graduates have a special part to play in tackling these challenges. We are skilled and adaptable. We are capable and critical thinkers. We have unprecedented access to information, technologies, and ideas. And we are fluent in the scientific method, humanity's most powerful tool in understanding the natural world. Yes, the abilities and resources that we have gained at UBC are a huge privilege. But now, to save our pale blue dot, we must use our scientific skills in all parts of our lives. We must become active and engaged citizens who move society forward. For example, graduating Earth scientists who understand the effects of melting ice sheets on rising sea levels should also engage with our political systems to limit greenhouse gas emissions. We need to make science accessible and relevant, and we need to bring science to everyone. But we also must appreciate our diversities because we cannot protect our pale blue dot if we are in conflict. We are not adversaries, neither are we competitors for fame or titles. We are colleagues. We are allies. We are fellow space adventurers traveling on a tiny dot. The truth is that this degree by itself is only a start. What is important is what we do with it and how we work to preserve our pale blue dot. What matters is living a life of curiosity, diligence, and wonder. our actions will make all the difference. Thank you, and congratulations.